Bitcoin, once seen as a fringe experiment, is now part of mainstream finance. But is 2025 the right time to invest? Here are 5 powerful reasons why Bitcoin might belong in your portfolio this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to Invest with Sense, where we break down smart investing moves in plain English. Today we're talking about the top 5 reasons to invest in Bitcoin in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or looking to add more BTC to your stack, this video is for you. Reason number 1. Institutional adoption is real and accelerating. Just a few years ago, Bitcoin was this obscure thing only tech people and Redditors talked about. Now, it's gone corporate. We're talking BlackRock filing for a Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity offering Bitcoin in retirement accounts. Institutions are going all in. And get this, even old-school banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs are offering crypto services to their clients. Big players bring liquidity, legitimacy, and long-term capital, all of which help reduce volatility over time. The smart money is moving in, and that's a very, very good sign.
Reason number 2. Bitcoin is looking good for 2025. Simple economics. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. That's it. No printing, no bailouts, no funny business like what happens with some governments and their currencies. In 2024, the Bitcoin halving cut block rewards in half, reducing new supply at the exact time demand is rising. As more people get on board with this whole crypto thing, that demand is only going up. Simple economics. Limited supply plus increasing demand equals upward price pressure. Smart investors recognize this, and they're looking for ways to protect their wealth.
Let's be real, 2025 hasn't exactly been the smoothest ride. Inflation is still biting, the threat of recession is looming, and there's a whole lot of global uncertainty, right? This is where Bitcoin comes in as a potential safe haven. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government. That means it can't be manipulated by politicians or devalued by reckless spending. More and more investors are starting to see it as a way to protect their wealth when everything else seems shaky. While it's not a perfect hedge yet, more investors are treating Bitcoin as a store of value in uncertain times. Remember the old days of Bitcoin? Back when you practically needed a PhD in computer science just to figure out how to buy it? You had to set up a digital wallet, memorize those cryptic keys, and hope and pray the exchange you were using didn't suddenly disappear with your money. Yeah, not exactly user-friendly. Today you can invest in Bitcoin through trusted apps, or even through Bitcoin ETFs like IBIT and BITB in your retirement account. These days, buying Bitcoin is as easy as ordering a pizza. Crypto investing is finally simple, regulated, and mainstream. And that lowers the barrier for millions of new investors. That increased accessibility is only going to drive demand even higher. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Bitcoin's price. Yeah, it's volatile, it goes up, it goes down, it can feel like a roller coaster ride. But here's the thing. Zoom out and look at the long-term trend. From under $1 in 2010 to over $60,000 in recent years, and analysts predict even more upside by 2030. Bitcoin is still in its early adoption phase. As more institutions and nations embrace it, the long-term opportunity is still massive. The key is to not get spooked by the day-to-day fluctuations. Let's recap the top 5 reasons to invest in Bitcoin in 2025. 1. Institutional adoption. 2. Limited supply and halving effect. 3. Hedge against inflation. 4. Easier than ever to access. 5. Long-term growth potential. Found this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Invest with Sense, and hit that bell so you don't miss future investing insights.